Finally, niabot na ginang adlaw na among ginapaabot, which is our flight going to Cebu. Medyo excited na gid pud mi ani nga mapanahon ng mga sis because we've been planning for this for a couple of months already, and finally, naday na gid siya. We are finally in Cebu, and the first thing that we did is of course unsa pa man di ay syempre mukaon. And of course, asa pa man day ta mangaon, syempre dito ta sa amo ang favorite, which is Jollibee. I remember the days before when we were still in college, even kana isa ka meal, di na mo ma-afford. But look at us now. Na may fries on the side and of course, spaghetti on the side, which makes me proud and teary-eyed at the same time. Gamay rin na siya nga butang for other people, no? But for us, it's already a big deal because dari naman na-realize na layo na gidi ay me. Layo na, pero layo pa. Ana. Day, what are we right now? We are on our first official full day in Cebu. Cebu ba na? Cebu. First full day in Cebu. We're just waiting for our friends to get out so that we can find a taxi to go to SM Seaside or SMC. Upahan ako rin. Lahi na po akong ano karon persona. Di na si Julia, si Michelle na po niya. Actually, dili dyan siya like full day. Kay late na kami na mata mga sis because we arrived in Cebu at around 2 a.m. in the morning if I'm not mistaken. So we needed to rest and refresh, right? Kaya para fresh put me sa mga picture, diba? So, and if you can notice, we are about to cross the Sea-Slex, which is considered the longest bridge in the Philippines because we're going to the 10,000 Roses. Pag-abot na mo dito sa 10,000 Roses na location, mga sis, ang ibugad sa mo is this very beautiful sunset. Pero actually, ito yung dyan na mag-adto aning mga oras sa mga sis to witness this very beautiful creation of God. Of course, after we witness the beautiful sunset, nisulot na po mi sa 10,000 Roses, and nasa entrance fee nga 20 pesos if I'm not mistaken. And for 20 pesos, it's not bad at all, to be honest. It's really beautiful, especially at night, guys. So I would suggest you go here kanang padulong na ang sunset so that you get to enjoy two things, the sunset view and of course the night view of 10,000 Roses. If you can notice, medyo busy na ako ang mga amiga dira sa ko likod, right? Kanya-kanya na may picture ani nga mga oras. Hi guys. Vlogger po siya on her end. Sa amo ang kaboard ani nga time, amo ang gitry og ihap kung 10,000 bagyod ang roses nga nakaturok dira sa amo ang location as of the moment, and we didn't prove anything. But in our heads, mo naman siya ko ala 5,000. So after mo naglakaw-lakaw ito sa 10,000 Roses, tuara, nangaon na po sila. Isa po nga tip nga ma-advise na ko, no, if manglaag mo with friends, make sure nga masettle niyo tanan before the next day para walay gubot. So yeah, that's how we spent our first day in Cebu City. We are now heading back to our hotel to rest and prepare for the next day, and see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!